Iteration construct is a fundamental construct of programming used for repetition of instructions. Types of iterations available in Java have been explained in this session. Let us first understand the concept of iteration. Iteration simply means repetition. Programming in Java allows repetition with two primary methods. First, where the condition match is to be tested before the repetition, and second, where condition match is tested after the first action has been taken. The first one is called the entry control loop and the second one is exit control loop. Java allows three types of entry controlled constructs. The typical for loop, where looping commands are put together as a composite instruction and other actions commands follow in the loop body. The while loop, where only condition check is provided at the entry of the loop. And a for each loop, where a special for condition is used to traverse completely through an array. Let us understand the for loop with an example. Here we are trying to print the divisors of an integer stored in a variable num. We are then running this loop till half point of num, as none of the divisors can be more than half of the number. Since a divisor means a number which fully divides the number leaving a zero remainder, so we are checking as num mod loop index which results in zero remainder. Then loop increment occurs till the condition remains true. Here we shall try to revise our while loop with the help of an example. This example prints the table of number 11. In the while loop, we check for the variable mul, maybe for multiplier, reaching the value 10. This variable was earlier initialized with value 1. The output is printed within the loop. A post increment on mul variable helps to run the loop as the count increases one by one. Java provides a unique way to read each element of an array. Here is the example. This example helps you add ASCII values of individual elements of a character array and divides it by length of array to get a single character representing a sort of average alphabet of the given string. This line converts the string to a character array. This one is the for each loop. Remember that it is called the for each loop, but it does not have the word each as a keyword. Here we are adding the ASCII value of each of the array member of array nm and then adding the result in the variable res. Even the char data type allows ASCII value arithmetic. Finally, this line prints the average character value by dividing the result of array's addition with array's length. This generally yields a displayable alphabet representing the average of given string. Just for your interest, let me tell you here that some numerologists tell fortunes based on such alphabet average calculations. You too can become a fortune teller by creating any such gimmick. The exit control loop that is available in Java is the do-while loop. Let us know its working with the help of this example. Here is an interesting problem made with do-while loop. The next double method of scanner class allows you to enter any number, even a decimal number. This condition check if the currently entered number is bigger than any of the previously entered max value, it will set max to this new value. The do-while loop goes on till you enter a 0 or negative number. Finally, the maximum of the entered number is printed.